In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to know if stocks pays dividends on Robinhood application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and actually download the Robinhood application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like actually to go and sign up to create your account if you don't have an account. If you do have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight into the tutorial. So let me just go here and open my Robinhood application, as you should of course if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So here, as you can see, they're actually asking me to enter a PIN code. So if it's your first time opening the application, they'll not ask you to do anything like that. But the second time you'll enter the application, they'll actually ask you to set a PIN code, and then start using this PIN code whenever you enter the application. So for me, my PIN code is just 4 zeros here. After entering my PIN code, they'll actually open my application, and that will be actually my home or my main screen. So here, first of all, I will just need to tell you that you cannot use the Robinhood application if you are outside of USA. You'll find out how to do that if you are outside of USA. And you want to use the application, you will find out how on one of our videos in the channel. Of course, you would like to verify your account and add funds to your account, at least $1 to start using the application. You will find out how to do that exactly in this channel also. So for me, I didn't add funds, so I will not be able to use this correctly. Of course, I will not have full options. But for you, if you have the full options, sorry for before. So if you have full options, of course, you can do, or you can use it correctly. So as we said, if you want to know if stocks pays dividends, so you will find the scheduled date and the amount listed next to the stock symbol. So let's use an example. That's the most traded stocks. Just go enter that. And here you will find the stocks that you want to see as an example. So as I said, you will find the scheduled date and the amount listed next to the stocks symbol. So recently paid dividends are listed just below pending dividends, and you can click or tap on any list dividends for more information. So if I go and click like a Tesla here, if you have, as I said, the full options, you'll find all I said here. So that will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.